Scene 1 in the classroom. Lunch break begins. In a cheerful school just like ours, students were excited for their lunch break. But sometimes even a lunchbox can tell us something deeper about kindness and fairness. Ryan opens his lunchbox proudly.
Wow, my mom packed me pizza, cupcakes, and juice. Who wants to share?
Other kids gather around excited. Adam opens his tiffin quietly in the corner. Simple rice and pickle. Ryan notices and whispers to others.
Look at that, rice and just pickles. Is that even a lunch? Rizwan, maybe he forgot to bring the real food.
They giggle. Adam looks embarrassed and closes his box slowly. Scene 2. The kind classmate steps in. Rishan sees what's happening and walks over to Adam.
Hey Adam, mind if I sit with you?
Sure, but I don't have anything fancy.
That's okay. My lunch isn't fancy either. My favorite is my mom's chapati. Food doesn't need to be fancy to be special.
They sit together. Rishan opens his box and shares a little and smiles. Scene 3. Teacher notices and teaches a lesson. Class teacher walks in and sees. What's going on here?
Nothing, ma'am. We were just joking about Ara's lunch.
Ryan, I'm disappointed. Kindness and respect are far more important than cupcakes or pizza. Children, do you know what inequality means? Inequality is when people are treated unfairly because of their clothes, their lunch, their money, or where they come from. But in this classroom, everyone is equal, no matter what their tiffin holds.
And sharing a smile of food can make someone feel they belong.
Exactly, Rishan. Real success comes from how we treat others. Let's remember, it's not what we have, but who we are that counts. Scene 4. The change of heart. Ryan walks up to Adam.
Hey Arif, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have laughed. Wanna try a cupcake? Thanks, Ryan. I'd like that.
That day, something beautiful happened. A simple act of kindness brought smiles, understanding, and friendship. Because when we look beyond the differences, we see how much we are the same.
May not wear the clothes you wear or speak the way you do, but deep inside my heart of mine, I am just like you.
My house is small, my bag is old. I may not have the best of toys, but I still laugh, I still dream, just like all other boys and girls. My skin is dark, my hair is curled. I may seem strange to you, but I can sing, I can learn. I have big hopes too. Don't look down or walk away, because I'm not like some. We can hold hands and walk together. The world belongs to everyone. It does not do fancy home to show a heart, that's true. It's only take a little love to see I'm just like you.
Set the streets all fair in what we do and say. For peace begins when we believe we are all just like you.